I'm going to jump over to Anne because she's in a really unique space with the philanthropy aspect. So Anne, giving has changed, whether it's the rise of donor-advised funds, trends like venture philanthropy, where donors stay much more involved, or even political giving. In a time where things are transforming daily, where do you think family office investors should focus?
Yeah, thank you. That's a great question. So there are over 1 million nonprofits in the United States right now that have a 501c3 designation. Having the ability to know all of those different organizations and what they're good at, and if you should invest in them, is a big job. So I think that what we're seeing right now is the competition for the donated dollar is greater than ever. The challenge to fundraise is unbelievably hard. There's 700 to 800 new foundations that are started each year, and the money in motion is greater than it's ever been. So my advice in thinking about being a family office is to look at where are your passions and what kind of impact do you want to have. And there are many great philanthropists who are doing great things, right? Michael Jordan just gave a $10 million biggest gift ever to Make-A-Wish. That is certainly impactful philanthropy. Chen and Zuckerberg just started their second biolab in Chicago. Absolutely amazing project. Their goal is engineering change at scale. So looking at, do you want to have impact by writing a check to an established foundation? Do you really want to think about something strategic and a collaboration? And so the things that we're most excited about right now are venture philanthropy. So it's looking at how do you invest in a nonprofit or someone who is doing social good, and then invest more than just money. So it's more than just writing a check. And some of the really cool projects that are happening right now are in relation to the environment, in relation to healthcare, and just really, I think, inspiring work.
Thank you. I think the passion aspect, I think that reigns true with no matter what space you're in and what you're raising funding for. You have to, at some point, have some type of passion for it. Otherwise, why are you here? What are you doing?
Absolutely.
So I agree. Thank you, Anne. Awesome.
Join the Family Office Club by visiting familyoffices.com. We look forward to seeing you at our next live event.